How to do Send It on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can do a Send It on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to do a Send It on Snapchat, what you have to do is first of all download this application called Sendit, and then you also want to make sure you have the Snapchat app installed too. So once you've downloaded the Sendit app, first of all you have to go ahead and just launch the Sendit application, and then it will ask you to log into your Snapchat account. So then I will go ahead and then simply actually log into my Snapchat account. Now once I log into my Snapchat account over here, you can choose whatever you want to do it in the Sendit. You can choose to ask me anything, or you can choose some dice games over here. You can choose some games. You can see some of the trending ones, and once you do that, you just need to share this to your snaps, right? So all you have to do is just tap on any of these options, and then once you've done that, you also need to make sure that it has allowed the notifications permissions. Then you want to come back over here, choose a Sendit for yourself, and then once you do that, you should be able to find the option called share over here, and then once you choose a specific Sendit for yourself, you should be able to see the ones over here, and that you can edit out the question. You can also add the link to your Sendit, and then you can take a snap for yourself as well. And this is how you can do the Sendit on Snapchat. You can enter any of the questions with any of the styles. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.